doing, making a quick video. They're still on eggs, I don't believe. Let's see if I can get him to move a bit. Yep, they're still on eggs. Sad news though, this is not him. The baby died that was in there. That's the father, and that's the mother. That one. That one right there. Don't get beat up. They stopped feeding him for some reason, so I was feeding him, but I guess he was sick or something. But I fed him for like 4 days, and he was doing good. But he died on me the other day, so I had to get rid of him. But I just threw this guy over here, and I just threw that one right there also. That one. That's its nest mate. Cool design, man. I love that design on his body. So, but yeah, that's his nest mate. So that guy right there, I gotta see if it's a hen or a cock. But I mean, like I say, I like the design on it. So we'll see what happens later on. These guys are doing great. Hopefully I can get the parents up here to breed again. So we'll see what's up. I'll get out of here, leave him alone. Bye, bye, bye.